In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a trend line in an Excel chart. Okay, so I have this table here, and we have the month in column A and switches in column B. So I will just create or insert a chart. So go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and then I'm going to choose this one. So in order to add a trend line, you can click one of the bars here and add trend line. And by default, linear is selected by default. I'm going to select exponential because I think this is the closest to the number of switches that I have for the whole year. So I'm going to select exponential. And there's also a option here that we can utilize. So let's say I want to forecast the number of switches for next year. What I can do is put 12 here because the date is per month. If I put 12, this will automatically add another 12 months, which what we see here. And just make this diagonal. Yeah, so this is how you can forecast the number of switches in this case for next year. And I think I need to, so all the months are now showing. So this is how you can quickly add a trend line and forecast the number of switches for next year in this case. So yeah, this is what I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.